It's okay, keep pushing, keep pushing. Get it deep, get it deep.
Push up, push up, push up.
Watch the front.
Support in front. Back door, watch that back door. Still there.
Yeah.
Someone on her!
Okay.
Here we go, here we go. Take it to the net. That's it, that's it, that's it. Oh, this side.
Back to back!
Let's keep it up there. Keep it up the boards there, bro. Keep it up the boards.
See, your forward pulled for it and was open, so
Time, you got time. Take a look.
Whatever. If they complain about it,
Oh, nice shot.
no one's. They're gonna call for it all the time. That's okay.
We'll get that.
What's up behind you? Get it deep. That's it. Beautiful.
That's a nice shit. Lauren, great dump, Lauren. That was perfect. Nice soft dump like that.
Hold it. That's it. That's it.
I don't think you were there for just like whoever gets it, go hard down the boards, and then someone stay up, and then have them back up. Yeah, so just like bring them down, pass it back.
That's it. Go. Hard. That's a leak. That's it, Lily! There we go! Okay. Yep. There it is. Oh, that's it.
Stay with it now. Tight box.
Yes!
Okay, Lily, you killed 30 seconds all on your own.
Hey, up the boards, okay, girls? Here you go. Oops.
see that. She can see that the whole way. Outside, keep her outside, keep her outside. Corner, corner!
It's okay.
That's it, that's it, sit, that's
I
it,
can
sit.
go get it. Keep feeling
Head on a swivel. See who's beside you.
Look behind you!
That's it.
Yes!
Yes.
Okay, they're coming too. They're coming too. Yep. Way go, way go.
15 seconds, 15.
Someone completely hit me in the back. That's me fall.
Look at number 14, wide open. Wide open. Number 14 is wide open.
Ah, nice try. Nice try. Yes.
Get it deep!
She's going to need to change.
Oh, the same! Go.
Okay. Turn. Okay.
Okay, you want to get some like, do you have anything to put on them?
Why don't you go see Courtney? Courtney, do you have any ice?
Hey,
I have some in my
Go down there.
There's some in my
Oh, guys. Let's respond to that. Let's respond to that. Let's have a seat for a second. There we go. Yes. All right. All right.
I guess so. Let's get it back,
Beat her. Ah, nice try. Come on, Selena, get to it. Come and sit. That's it. There we go. Get to the net.
Let her rip! Oh! That was the right idea, Caleb. Go!
Hard.
Skate, skate.
That's okay.
Okay. Sorry, bro. I gotta tell myself to calm down. Nice and deep, nice and deep.
Yes, yes. Come on, man. Come on. Come on. Come. D's open.
That's it. Center. Meaty.
Oh, tip.
Watch the front. Go, Grace. Get in there. Watch that point.
That's it. Stay with us.
Nice pass for the D there. That was great. It was wide open. That was a perfect decision.
I heard her yelling. I was like,
Bro, like I just
Come on, guys. Come on. Let her walk. That's it. Get out. There we go. Come on, Grace. Come on, girl.
That's it. Stay with her. That's it.
Nice pass. Nice pass.
Everyone, go.
Where did it go?
Hey, great job there, bro.
She was down, so you got to the she was making the first move on the almost before you shoot. So even if you held on to that, if you get another chance, half second more and then bury it.
I'm actually so mad. That was such a good
Careful.
That's it. Watch the foot.
That's it. Three!
You got 3. There it is.
That's it. Stay with Carm. Stay with it.
Did you see that though?
What are you gonna do?
Gotta try.
Keep going, girls. Keep going.
When it was just a little angle off. But it was going in.
In the lanes. There we go. Move.
All right. Reset.
Watson!
Nikki, that's it, that's it, that's it. That's it. Noise, noise! That's it. Work. Hard, hard. Go, 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 let's go! Middle, middle! Yep.
That was nice, Gracie. Move it. Back, back, back.
Okay, all right, all right.
Shit to quit. Let her in the middle. Go in the middle.
Pressure, bring out pressure! Keep that pressure on! Keep that pressure on! That's it, that's it! There you go, baby! Left, left, left! Let's go, let's go! Oh, what a girl, what a girl! Shield, yep, right there!
Sorry, Billy. What? Right in the trees. Okay, it's okay.
I heard you though. That was good. That's the only reason I did it. Oh! It was wide open. Wait, I forgot what you did. Oh yeah, my girl. Just go. Just everyone. Let's just go straight to the net and just play to the net. Because she lets up so many rebounds. So many.
Shot, take a shot!
Cover, someone covered. Someone covered.
Last back.
Watch it behind you, yeah, that's it.
Watch behind you. Yep.
There you go, that's it. Cover, girls.
Go to walk. Go to walk. Watch the middle. Middle.
Pick up a stick.
Nice save. Go, Mickey.
Gonna be Mickey.
Be aggressive. Be aggressive.
Be aggressive.
Yeah.
I literally thought I was gonna get hurt. When Lauren
Good. It's good. Go get it. Go get it now. Go get it.
and you guys have to. So make sure someone supports high. Yeah.
That's it, that's it. Hey! This way, this way, this way.
The boards. That's it. Stay with it. Stay with it.
Guys, we got this.
Watch the back door.
She'll make that save all day.
Watch behind the net.
In the lanes. Get in the lanes. Get in the lanes. There we go. Head on a swivel. Watch it back. There we go.
Get it deep, get it deep.
Dump it.
Center right. Center right. Center right.
Let's get control for it. Hey, listen. I know we were in our zone, but it was completely controlled. They had nothing. That was great. That was really, really well done. Good job.
Noise. No.
Come on. Get to it. There we go. There we go.
Move it up. Take your space away. Take your space away. Gotta be Nikki.
All right, girls. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going, Nikki.
Keep having that one girl keep
Right there,
that
girls.
slot. Watch that slot, girls.
Fuck off.
Red. We said I'm actually
Nice. That's good. Tie her up. Yep.
We still got chances though. Yeah. We just need one more goal.
Go, Sid, go.
Watch the front! Watch the front! Sid, watch the front!
Help her.
That's it, Selena, that's it.
Guys, we need to be on the water.
One coming. Come on. Come on, Lily, come on. Beat her. 1 on 2, beat him, beat him.
I got the pump fan
Please keep your composure. You're doing great. You're doing great.
All right, that's it.
You think she's a walker? Or she's a...
Watch in the middle.
Get there.
There's muscle in it. There's muscle in it. That's it. Hurt it. Come on. Go, Millie, go, Millie, go. Keep skating through them. Keep skating through them. No muscle.
The coach was like, watch Taylor.
There you go. There you go. Cut that right now.
He goes, watch Taylor. That's what he said.
Watch in front.
Watch the front, baby. Stay front.
Just one, watch. There you go. There you go. Come on, girls. Come on. Don't leave the zone too early, girls. Don't leave the zone too early. Let's go. Go get her. Go get her. Go get her. Nice play. time. Move it up, move it up. That's it. You got time.
It's okay, girls. Okay, hey, listen. It's all good.
I'll tell you what I was trying to do because I think they're so confused. I know.
So it was already going.
I know.
That was just a great idea.
It was perfect because if you just sit there, I could take it from there. I would so much.
That's it. Go, go, go. Wheel, wheel, wheel.
And then I would go, and I'd cut over.
Yeah, no, I just
can try
agree.
that.
I just like you put a minute the pressure like
Yeah, but literally that's what we were both doing. Exactly.
Who's working? Someone will open up.
I just couldn't
Yeah. Keep it. I wasn't swinging, and I wasn't.
Oh, watch behind you. Time. Move it up. Yep. There we go.
Stay aggressive there, Mickey. You're doing good. Throw it up. Let's go, Mimi.
Keep working hard, girls. Keep working. Something's gonna happen. Okay? I need possession. Come on, ref. You were right there. Go, Grace.
Harden? Yes, there you go.
Go get it. Let's go, Black Line. Okay, minute and a half. We gotta get possession and get her out. It's hey, Arjo.
Okay, let's pull. Yep. Mickey!
Keep it deep.
That's it, G!
that was the worst play I've ever seen in my life.
What are they calling that? It's just a hard play. Hey, hey, Billy!
I didn't see what happened, but
And that was just a hard play. Like, I mean, like, it was just a hard play.
oh, look at